You see the fly? Get him! Get him! Get him! Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Can you pick him up and bring him to Mommy? Pick him up and bring him to Mommy. Get him. Pick him up and bring him to Mommy. Get him, Sammy. Get the fly. Darn thing keeps moving. Get him. She had him in her fingers. I don't know how she catches live flies, but she brought one over to me a minute ago and he was alive. Get him! Did you get him? Did you kill him? Let me see. Let me see. Where is he? He's back there. Oh, don't stick your finger in there. You killed him. That's Sammy. Sammy, you got him. High five.